Welcome to this basic string chat tutorial. String is a database of protein networks which has a powerful web interface. And now it also has a chat interface. In this video, I'll show you a simple example of how it can be used. Specifically, I'll ask it to answer the questions in my own training material for String. It is almost too easy, and if you're a student who've been asked to do these exercises, I would consider it cheating. To demonstrate how this works, I first go to the JensenLab website and find the String training material. On that page, I select the entire exercise 1 and I copy it to the clipboard. With that done, I go to a different browser tab in which I have the String web interface open, and here I find the new String chat interface. I type in a prompt in which I ask the model to solve the exercises below, answer all the questions in the exercises in the form of a table, and also provide me with network figures to support that I've done the work. I'm fundamentally pretending to be a student who's cheating in my exercises. Below that prompt, I paste in the full exercise text from the other web page, and I press the Submit button. The model reads the prompt and starts calling the new String MCP server, requesting a large number of different types of information. It's resolving the query protein to its string identifier, retrieving interactors, interaction evidence, network images, and so on. This takes a while, but just to illustrate the power of it, I am not speeding up this video, so I'll just wait for it to finish. And with that it's done, and it starts writing out a table, which will be formatted nicely later, and it has all the correct answers to the questions. It also provides me with an evidence network, a confidence view, and an expanded network as was needed to answer the questions. String Chat can do much more than what you just saw, and the real secret sauce in this is the MCP server behind the scenes. If you want to learn more about how scientific agents can use tools like String, I suggest that you watch this video next. Thanks for your attention.